Crazy. Hella down. Last minute launching. Kayaking Street, Bear Creek, under the bridge right here. Woo! Woo! Crazy. This shit better be worth it.
Alright, get this.
Let's get it. Hit it, Kevin. Go get it.
Oh.
Yeah. Water's flowing, but it's not that bad, huh?
Yeah,
Hey, get it. I got a nail clipper. Lee got a scissor right there. Put the shit on my head and let's go upstream. So, oi, oi! Why you swaying hella hard, brother? Let's get out of this area. Ah, not bad. Gotta put on that mask though. Your phone? Damn, bro. Hey, it ain't that bad though, huh? Ain't that bad. Not even, bro. Hit it. Oh no. No, goddamn. Goddamn, not me. That's the spike too. This the spike, damn. Ow! Ow! Come on. Cut it. Cut it. That's stuck good, homie. Don't disappoint, Bear Creek. That's all thorns, homie. Ooh, got it. Ooh, fish on, baby. On the rattle. Ah, that's a baby. But still, fish on. Woo. Huh? Large mouth, baby. On the rattle. Ooh, what's up?
Man, look at this magical place.
Oh yeah, dude, hella nice, bro. Have you never been? You never been here, bro? This is dead quick. Team last minute.
Team last minute, team skunk.
Yeah. What do they want? I feel like they would want the rat. Yeah, that's a lay down right here. Oh, my boy! Oh no! You how? How? How?
Oh, take it.
Oh, okay, it got it.
You got it, you got it. Take it, you got it.
It got it. It came back for it.
You got it.
Ooh, that boy. It came back for it. Oh, okay. It came back for it, bruh.
Hold on, let me get a video of this.
Damn.
Get that video.
Oh, that's good shit right there, baby. The last minute. Last minute. Hey, that's good shit, bro.
Help me.
Can't.
Help me.
Help yourself. Help yourself, bro. I gotta catch one too.
There I go. You on video, baby.
Woo. Damn. I gotta record it too.
5 pounds, bro.
Damn, release it, brother. What's up? Nah, release it. No. Woo. My turn? Yeah. My turn? I think there was like 2 of them in there. I have a wild popper if you want to use it.
Nah, I'm good. I got this.
Damn, maybe it's on this side. Oh, yes, baby. Got it. I got a baby one though. Small, it's small. Only you left, Kevin. Let me get this thing. I ain't trying to get. God, that is scary. It's still shaking. Another one. Why do I only catch the small one? No skunk. Come on, come on, come on. Woo. Ooh. You good? Go over there. Oh, it just came for it, bro. I was really underwater. Woo. I reeled hella fast under the water. They just came for it. Yeah. Thank you. Dude, I was just reeling it in the water. I think you need a jerkbait, Kevin. This one, I didn't even like reel it on top. I just reeled like fast under the water. If we are kept, oh shit. I was gonna record it. I just want to see a big one pop out and hit it, man. Oh,
Big one to hit it.
it's not even a big one though. What's a spot? Oh, got it. Ooh. Damn. Ooh. Oh, don't. Oh. Oh, damn. Whew. That's what I needed. Damn. Got him good.
Yeah, we went pretty far. This is about the train tracks already.
Yep. We should come here next time.
Fuck this place. I'm gonna take a video. Yeah, killing out here, dude. Bear Creek.
We gotta go back though. I thought it was small, but it turned out to be pretty decent. It hooked good, dude. It got hooked good.
That's on the big hook on the bottom. Oh, the
Both
top.
hooked. Yeah, and the.
It's big, dude. Alright, I get a picture now, Carl. I'll send it to you. Oh, you get the iPhone camera. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Got it?
Yep, got it.
Came out from there, dude. But let's go back though. It's getting dark.
Hold up.
Yeah, last one in the night. I mean. Where we going? Woo! Woo, down! Woo, down! Yeah! Let's see that. Let's go home.